Today I'm going to show you how to make a lunar-inspired salt dough ornament. These are not to be eaten but can be hung on your tree for Christmas. You'll need 125 grams of plain flour, 65 grams of table salt and some cold water. Add the flour and salt to a large bowl. Mix the flour and salt thoroughly. Add the water slowly until you create a smooth dough. You need to ensure your dough is not overly wet or sticky. Time to roll out your dough. I find that using baking or parchment paper is easiest. You need to roll it out to a thickness of around 7mm. Use something round to cut out salt dough moons. I used a thick glass. It is really important to cut a hole at this stage for your ribbon. I used a piping nozzle to cut all the way through. Make sure the hole is large enough and clean the edges to make your moon perfect. Collect items to make craters in your lunar surface. I made a footprint using my thumb, a blunt knife and a wooden skewer. Now decorate your moon to make craters and anything you think should be there. Bake in the oven for 2 hours at 120 degrees Celsius. After the ornaments have cooled completely, paint them using acrylic paints. And finally, add ribbons to hang your ornaments. Please share your pictures of your makes on our social media pages. We would love to see your creations.